Okay, let's make the letters that make the sound ch. We do the C and the H. So for the C, we do a halfway around because it's a curly letter that makes a sound k. So we do a halfway around and we don't stop there. We go up to the red line and then we come back down. Then we go up again, around, down, bump it. Let's do it again. Let's do the curly k. Nice. Now we go up to the red line, come back down, up, around, down, bump it. One more time. Curly k. And go up to the red line, come back down, up, around, down, bump it. Now let's think of a word that has the ch sound. Some of you love to eat what we call chips, potato chips. So let's go. So we do a halfway around again. Let's take our time. And then we go up to meet the red line, come back down, up, around, down. So we have ch. And next we have I. Down, curve it, bump it, dot on top. P. Now we go down this time to meet that red line underneath. And we come back up, around and in. Chips. Chips. Here's some chips. I have a bowl here, and here's some chips in the bowl. All we're missing now is the KFC chicken. So we have chips without chicken.